Understanding Microdermabrasion, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of skincare, specifically focusing on the term microdermabrasion. This procedure might sound complex, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Whether you're learning English or just curious about skincare, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Microdermabrasion is a skincare technique. It's a non-invasive procedure, meaning it doesn't involve entering the body. This technique gently removes the top layer of the skin, which is primarily composed of dead skin cells. Think of it like a very detailed exfoliation, helping to rejuvenate the skin. Microdermabrasion can improve skin texture, reduce signs of aging, and give a brighter complexion. In this section, let's understand the process of microdermabrasion. The procedure uses a special device that sands the skin's outer layer. This might sound a bit scary, but it's generally painless. The device sprays tiny exfoliating crystals on the skin and then vacuums them up. As a result, the skin is stimulated to create a new, healthier layer, and collagen production is boosted, giving the skin more elasticity and firmness. Microdermabrasion has several benefits. It can reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and acne scars. It's also helpful in treating sun damage and uneven pigmentation. However, it's important to remember that results can vary, and it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Also, after the procedure, the skin can be a bit sensitive, so proper skincare and sun protection are essential. This procedure is suitable for most skin types and tones. However, it might not be ideal for people with certain skin conditions, like active acne or eczema. It's always best to consult with a skincare professional to see if microdermabrasion is right for you. That's all about microdermabrasion. We hope this video has been informative and has made understanding this skincare technique a bit easier for you. Remember, taking care of your skin is important, but always seek professional advice for treatments like microdermabrasion. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.